where ready to see exactly where your business stands? Here's how to get your own copy of the School Business Phases Diagnostic and get your results in minutes. First, you're going to go over the file, make a copy, and then you're going to save your copy, and it'll save to your Google Drives so you can start editing and getting your results. Next, you're going to click on checklist, and you'll see 4 categories: numbers and pricings, systems and processes, employees and partners, self and develop, and business development. You're going to go through each of these statements. If the statement is true, put a number 1. If it isn't true, just leave it blank, 0. This is for your eyes only. Be honest so you can truly assess yourself and see what areas you need to grow. After you put your ones in, the results sheet will calculate all of your results, your completion, where you are, and this is where the magic happens. And it'll let you know what phase you are in and how you need to show up for yourself. So let's get this filled out and let's start figuring out where you need to focus to level up first.